In this video, you will learn the 3 platforms that you can sell your handmade crafts on. That's not Etsy. So if you have a dream to start a craft business and be a full-time small business owner, this video is for you. This is probably the most asked question I get in my DMs and comments for years, and I don't want to gatekeep this information anymore. As always, timestamps will be included in today's video so you can easily browse through today's topics. The first platform you can sell your crafts on is Shopify. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to build your own website and sell your products. It's used by millions of business owners, from small business owners to well-known businesses like Heinz, Sephora, PepsiCo, and more. In my previous video, I shared the fee breakdown between Shopify and Etsy, so go watch that tutorial if you haven't already. If not, I will share the basics quick. Shopify has a monthly fee ranging from $29 per month to $299 per month, along with different credit card processing fees depending on the plan you choose. I will link the plans and the pricing info in the video description, but besides that, Shopify has no selling fees unlike Etsy, and you get full control over your own online website. You own it, you can design it, you can even integrate different apps to provide a better experience for your customers. But there are 2 main concerns that people have about Shopify. The first is the whole building your own website part. I know a lot of crafters prefer Etsy because the platform is already established and well known. But the good news is that you do not need to be a website developer or expert of any sort to create your Shopify website. Shopify provides free templates that you can use. You can plug in your product and shop information, and before you know it, your website is up and running. You can also pay for Shopify website templates too, if none of the free ones go with your aesthetic. I get it. The second main concern people have about Shopify is gaining customers and traffic. Remember, this is your own website, so you'll have to rely on other channels like social media or SEO to bring people to shop to your products. Now, as long as you're dedicated and have a strategic marketing plan, gaining traffic to your personal website won't be as hard as you make it seem. And if you need more help on starting a craft business, like what's even the first step and how to successfully launch it, I really encourage you to sign up for the waitlist for my future course, the CBB. By the end of taking my course, you'll have all the tools to finally pursue your craft business dream and launch. And no, Shopify is not sponsoring this video. I want to make it very clear, I highly recommend Shopify because not only do I use it for my personal AMYMAKESTHAT digital resources shop, but also for my new craft business. I wouldn't be recommending them if I didn't personally use them or liked them, or have heard wonderful things about them. So if you've been curious about choosing Shopify for your craft business, this is your sign. The second platform you can choose to start your craft business and sell your crafts is Maker's Place by Michaels. This is a fairly new platform created by Michaels Craft Store themselves, and here's why you should sell on their platform. There are 2 plans as of now, the basic free plan and the other is the professional plan that is $110 annually. Some of the key takeaways are the free product listings and the other ways that you can earn income by teaching classes and creating supplies lists, similar to the Amazon storefront, if you're familiar with that affiliate program. I like that Maker's Place is a hub specifically for handmade crafters, and because it is a newer platform, there's going to be less competition, so you can stand out as a business owner and even get a chance to be featured if you have their professional plan. Like, who doesn't want to be shown on Michael's social media platforms or their main homepage? But some of the negatives are the 3% plus 20-cent transaction fee and the 2 to 4% referral fee. Again, we fall into the same issue like we do with Etsy. You don't own the platform, so these are things to think about when you are considering Maker's Place. I've personally never used Maker's Place, but from viewing it as a customer, it looks really simple to navigate and inexpensive as a craft business owner. I'm also curious, have you heard of Maker's Place by Michaels? Share if you have any comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. The third platform is the platform that so many craft business owners are already using and love, and it is TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is another free way to sell your handmade products through the popular social media app TikTok. What's really cool about TikTok Shop is their integrations. You can go live and connect your products to that live, so customers don't have to go to a website, click checkout. They can click that item and then immediately pay for it right then and there. Which, if you're in this industry, you know that the faster you can get your customer to click on your product, the better. This is a great way to boost customer sales and gain a social media following. It's like a 2-for-1. The affiliate program is also a huge bonus because other creators can earn a commission off of promoting your products. All it takes is one video to go viral and boom, the orders are flying in for you. As for the cost, there is no monthly fee, but there is a marketplace commission fee and a transaction fee. The rates depend on the category of your products and they're listed on TikTok's site. However, there are some drawbacks that you need to know. The first is probably obvious. It's not your own website. There's also talks of TikTok being banned in the United States. You might not even be from the US and it's already banned. This might not even be an option for you. And that can be really scary to put all of your eggs in one basket with a platform that may no longer potentially exist or be heavily controlled later on. The second drawback is something that not many sellers know about until they start selling, and it is their shipping policy. They are very strict with the time frame. It says on their website that all orders must be shipped within 3 business days, and if an order is not shipped within 5 business days, customers can cancel and receive a refund. Now, you can probably get around this by updating the order status to shipped in the seller center within the 3 business days to avoid their penalty fees, because you will get charged. So if you are selling crafts that are custom or take longer to make, TikTok Shop might not be the option for you. Which platform do you think is right for you? And are there any other platforms that you'd be interested in learning about? Please share your thoughts and ideas in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a very crafty day and I will see you in the next video. Bye!